Many animals are being abused. One way of abusing it is not providing any food, any shelter, hitting them, and many more. Because of this, 300,000 animals are died every year. Example of animal abuse is this one.
Who owns this useless goat in my lot?
How dare you to hurt that beautiful creature?
Who cares about it? That beautiful creature put at my lot.
Don't you know that it is an insane?
Who cares?
Then if you will only abuse that goat, then I will take it and bring it to my house.
Think for the pain that animal feel. There's no animals that need to be abused. They need respect like us. Animals had the right to live too.
Oh, you're here. Why are you so late? Do you know that I saw people abusing the animal? So what did you do? I take it and bring it to my house. Oh, that's great. You saved the life of that animal.
We appreciate you.
my friend. Thank you. Let's go now.
If all of us want to help the animals, let's prevent animal abuse.